Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into some interesting language tips. We'll be discussing how to structure a paragraph using the GSAC method. Let's get started. Here's the right paragraph order using GSAC, which we'll discuss next. First, let's understand what GSAC stands for. General statement. Specific detail. Action taken. Consequence. This structure helps in organizing your thoughts clearly and logically. You can get more detailed knowledge about this structure in my previous video. The link is given in the description below, and you can also click on the link attached above this video. Let's start solving this with GSAC. The first step is the general statement. Air travel has changed significantly over the years. The purpose of the general statement is to introduce the main topic or idea. For example, air travel has changed significantly over the years. This sentence sets the stage for the discussion about the evolution of air travel. Next, we have the specific detail. Initially considered a luxury, it is now a common mode of transportation for many people. The purpose of the specific detail is to provide specific information or data that supports the general statement. For example, initially considered a luxury, it is now a common mode of transportation for many people. This sentence supports the general statement by explaining how air travel has evolved. Now, let's move to the action taken. This change has been driven by the reduction in airfare costs and the expansion of airline networks. The purpose of the action taken is to describe the actions or responses to the issue mentioned. For example, this change has been driven by the reduction in airfare costs and the expansion of airline networks. This sentence explains the factors that contributed to the change in air travel. Finally, we have the consequence. However, this democratization of air travel has also led to concerns about overcrowding and decreased comfort on flights. The purpose of the consequence is to explain the results or importance of the actions taken. For example, however, this democratization of air travel has also led to concerns about overcrowding and decreased comfort on flights. This sentence ties everything together by showing the impact of these changes. A useful method to remember this order is to use the general to specific to action to consequence structure. General statement. Introduce the main topic. Specific detail. Provide specific information or data about the topic. Action taken. Describe the actions or responses to the issue. Consequence. Explain the results or importance of these actions. That's it for today's language tips. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. See you next time.